Get AI visible, the simple shortcut for winning in AI search without writing blogs, begging for backlinks, or being a techie. Hi, I'm Dr. Noah St. John from AIvisible.me. And in this presentation, I'm going to show you exactly how you can get AI visible so you can stop being invisible to the AI search engines that are powering today's marketing. All right, so let's look at the reality here. Just picture this 90 days from now. How would this change your business and your life? Number one, your brand is cited inside the AI answer for your category, which means you are the one that people trust. Number two, your calendar is filling up with calls, which means you're the ones that people contact. And number three, you sleep peacefully at night, finally, because you are the one that people hire. How would that change your business and your life? All right, well, this can be a reality for you. But here is the villain, dun, 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 and that is the old SEO trap. What is blocking your visibility in an AI-driven search world, which is what we have today right now? Well, first of all, Google AI overviews absorb almost all the clicks. Did you know that Google searches are down? But even if you are on Google, even if you're ranked number one, you could still get 0 clicks. Why? Because Google itself is doing away with the old 10 blue links model. That's gone. And they're doing AI search just like everybody else. All right. So Google summaries capture user attention, reducing your clicks, even if you're number one. So the old SEO playbook is gone. It is out of date and nobody told us. Number two, assistants present only one answer. These are the LLMs, large language models like ChatGPT, Perplexity, Claude, Grok. Those are the ones that are driving all of the searches today. I mean, the vast majority. So Google is down, the LLMs are up. Agencies, meanwhile, are selling outdated 2019 SEO deliverables, right? So they're still trying to sell you packages that worked in 2019 but do not work today. It's not your fault. The rules changed. The search environment has completely shifted under our feet. They moved the goalposts and they didn't tell anybody. So you've got to recognize the blockers to your visibility. You've got to identify who or what is preventing your content from ranking and adapt your strategy so you can finally win, right? So the AI, here's how AI chooses sources. It's a very simple mental model. Number one is authority. Number two is structure. Number three is freshness. Number four is ubiquity. And number five is content rejection, meaning content lacking authority, structure, freshness, or ubiquity is just ignored by AI. All right. So let's look at the pain of doing it yourself. If you're trying to do all this yourself, it's going to be a lot of work and a lot of pain, emotionally, intellectually, and financially. All right. So first of all, you've got to audit every assistant across dozens of buyer prompts, all the ones that I talked about earlier, ChatGPT, Perplexity, Claude, all the rest. Then you've got to rewrite web content into Q&A formats. That's what AI likes. Then you've got to build bullet point answers supported by data and citations. And you've got to structure headers for rapid scanning by AI. All right, and that's just the first part. Then you've got to seed content across multiple platforms consistently. You've got to refresh all your content every 30 days at least so you can be fresh, right? Then you've got to monitor weekly shifts in AI citations, correlate citation data and restart weekly, and recognize the relentless emotional strain involved. All right, so we're talking a lot of pain and a lot of strain, right? So you've got to reject the content janitor role. That's being a content janitor. That means you're like cleaning up everything, right? Remember, you are the trusted answer. Your job is to claim the answer, not mop up the algorithm. So we're going to elevate your identity to align with strategic leadership. Claim your brilliance now, okay? All right, so what if the grueling DIY steps that I just talked about that you have to do became effortless, systematized, and scheduled for you? So here's a new inevitable way to win. Sounds good, Noah? Tell me more. All right, here we go. So introducing the AI visible system. These are the 5 key parts solving critical failure points for ultimate AI visibility. Number one, we start with the X-ray audit. We're going to diagnose hidden issues and critical failure points in your system. Then we're going to create the answer engine, precise, relevant answers to user queries instantly. Then the seeding storm. We're going to generate and distribute fresh content to boost system growth. Then the freshness loop. We're going to continuously update the data to maintain real-time accuracy and relevance. And then finally, the scorecard. We're going to measure performance and track improvements to ensure success. All right? Doesn't that sound great? So let's take a deep dive here. Part one. Here's the AI visible mechanism. Number one, the X-ray audit measures your AI visibility score. So this is your AI visibility score, and you may have already gotten that with your AI visibility scorecard. Then we're going to take the answer engine and we're going to convert your existing assets into scannable Q&A. All right. And then the foundational steps ensure AI ready content. So we put these together to prepare your assets to dominate AI driven search results effectively. All right. And now part 2 is the seeding storm. We're going to orchestrate content placement to maximize reach, the freshness loop, which is monthly updates ensure content stays current, scorecard, weekly visibility reporting, and swift corrections to fix any decline in search presence, and continuous optimization so that we guarantee your content remains the definitive answer for users. All right. So let's look at the DIY swamp versus the AI visible system. All right. The DIY time investment, 40 hours plus per week. Last time I checked, you're already working 40, 50, 60 hours a week right now, right? Well, with our AI visible system, there's a fixed investment with minimal time required for you. This is not an extra job. In fact, we're taking that off your plate. The tools complexity, you need at least 6 to 12 tools plus context switching. With AI visible, you get a fully managed system, hands off for you. Outcome certainty. Well, when you do it, it's uncertain. You don't know how this works, right? This isn't your job. With AI visible system, it's predictable, optimized results. And the emotional cost. High stress and overload if you do it yourself. With us, with AI visible, peace of mind, you can be relaxing on the beach, and this is all done for you. All right, so what if this put you as the cited answer for your number one money term, just one of them? Right? And what if it prevented 1/4 of wasted ad spend? Wouldn't that alone be worth it? Absolutely, it would. All right. So here's what you're going to get with AIvisible.me. We're going to conduct a comprehensive X-ray audit and build a tailored answer engine in month 1. Then we're going to implement weekly seeding and scorecards to track ongoing progress. We're going to execute a monthly freshness cycle to keep your data and strategies up to date. Then we're going to leverage a priorities prompt list to focus efforts on high impact actions, the buyer prompts that your buyers are typing in right now and you aren't being cited. All right. So hello, your competitors are. So wouldn't it be great if you were cited instead of your competitors? What would that mean for you? And finally, utilize the comprehensive visibility playbook for consistent execution and success. Okay. So compare AI visible, with the cost of in-house solutions, DIY, right? In-house hiring drains time and money. The essential tools add hidden high costs to your overhead. Management overhead consumes resources. These are things you shouldn't be doing. You should be delegating them. And it's at least 40 hours per week of dedicated efforts, whether it's you or someone on your staff or someone you have to hire, right? That maybe not know what they're doing, right? They probably weren't trained for this. And our fixed investment simplifies your budgeting so you always know what it's going to be right up front. Okay, so we have a fast action incentive. This is the extra value for fast movers. So we reward decisiveness. Hello, just like life does. So we have a founder's price lock. When you get in today, your investment can never go up, right? It's a fixed investment for the rest of your life, as long as you stay with us, right? And we provide extra freshness cycle in the first month. So when you're a fast mover, you get an extra freshness cycle, not just one, but 2. And we reward decisiveness with accelerated benefits and advantages, all right? So you can maximize your ROI right from the very beginning. So you're going to unlock real ROI with every AI-powered deal. Think about this, just one deal that you close that you didn't get before is going to offset months of costs, right? That you would do by doing it yourself. 2 deals is going to cover your entire year, right? So whatever your numbers are, it's going to be your ROI, but just one deal is going to cover way more than 1 month, and 2 is basically covering your whole year, all right? So the point is, act right now, right? Grab your spot right now at AIvisible.me. All right, so you have already probably taken your AI Visible scorecard. Just click the button right here on this page and secure your spot with AIvisible.me. Do not wait another day, another moment, because every day that you wait, your competitors are being cited and you're not. So we want to make you the one that AI is citing so that you get AI visible. So get AI visible right now. Grab your spot, click the button right here on this page and grab your spot now. For everyone here at AIvisible.me, this is Dr. Noah St. John, and I look forward to being a part of your success story. I'll see you soon.